This is April 10th. Here is some hollyhocks I started from seed last year. I put them here so they would get some more sun from where they were at. That right there looks like a weed. I think it is. April 10th and the tulips are blooming. These are grape hyacinths, daffodils, all these spring flowers. Daffodils are almost done and tulips are in full bloom. This is yarrow cerise queen. It's got red crested flowers on it. And I planted it here. It's a potted plant I bought at a nursery, I don't know, about 3 years ago. And so it's coming out pretty good. But I bought 2 of those that day. And I put that one there. And this one over here, out of the same pot on the same day. And the only thing I can guess is that one over there gets more sun, which must make all the difference in the world. Huh. These here are loose strife. It's got yellow flowers on it. I don't know what that is. It's woody. I'm going to have to dig it up. I don't want any more woody things in here. This looks like a weed, but I'm not sure. This is columbine. I think this is Sweet William right here. I like to get as many flowers in my flower bed as possible. And I think these are actually weeds. They look like crocuses, but I don't think they've ever bloomed. And I got some out in the backyard. I might just pull them up. And I got these tulips I somehow planted in the middle of the row where you're going to have to walk, so I'm going to dig those up. This is some Oriental hybrid lilies coming up. And this is goutweed I don't want in here. Alpine rosy bells, I think those are called. Early snow glories. Pulling up some grass. alkanite here. What's that growing right in the middle of the path? Looks like I walked on it. More over there. Coming up right there. This looks like a cherry bush. Nanking bush cherry. Maybe. This could be a viburnum I got growing in here. I'm going to dig up all these bushes this year. This spring. Actually. Another oriental hybrid lily coming up right there. This is a macrame. There's some more columbine getting ready to bloom. Alpine strawberries. These are Virginia Bluebells. I don't know what that is. Here's the Virginia Bluebells over here blooming away. Aren't those nice? There's lots of them in here. I don't think that's bleeding heart. Might be. I got a lot of wildflowers in here. When I cut down this bush here, it's a honeysuckle I planted years ago. When I cut it down, the stuff in here started growing a lot better. This is a Virginia red cedar that birds love. It's really growing good too. And I didn't plant it there. The birds actually planted it there when they would sit on the branches of that honeysuckle bush. And I got some growing out back I planted for the birds. And they must have transferred the seeds up here, sitting on the bush pooping. This is a bleeding heart right here. It's huge. It takes up this whole area in here. There's some ferns back in there coming up. There's hostas, and there's Oriental hybrid lily there. There's one. There's some more over here. Oh, all this trash that blows in. This is coral bells. It's been here for many years. It's died out in the center, but it's got all these other crowns all around it. There's one. There's another one. So I could dig any of those up and move them around if I wanted to. These are all raspberries. There's daylilies. All kinds of flowers in there coming up. Okay, so if you like my garden, can you please subscribe to my channel, Gardening in My Yard? I would really appreciate it. It helps me make more videos. So thanks a lot for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Goodbye.